Chasing the next stamp. A freestyle American English original story. Bitten by the travel bug. I didn't plan to travel this year, but after my trip to Istanbul, I was bitten by the travel bug. Suddenly, I wanted to see more. New cities, new food, new people. So when my friend Marco said, "Let's go somewhere," I was on board right away. Scene 2, getting off the beaten path. We didn't want a typical, touristy trip. We wanted to get off the beaten path. After searching flights, we found a cheap ticket to Georgia. We looked at each other and said, "Okay, let's hit the road." Scene 3, plans up in the air. At the airport, our flight was delayed. The staff said the situation was up in the air because of the weather. So we decided to play it by ear, wait, watch, and be flexible. Marco said, "Relax. This is travel." Scene 4, go with the flow. When we landed, we didn't book a hotel. We just went with the flow. We took a local minibus to a small town in the mountains. No plan. No tour. Just curiosity. Scene 5, when in Rome. The guest house was simple. No big bed, no fancy view. Marco wanted to complain. I said, "When in Rome, we're in another country, so let's live like locals." We dropped our bags and went out to explore. Scene 6, taking the scenic route. The next morning, we wanted to visit a monastery, but we missed the only bus. Instead of getting angry, we took the scenic route and walked part of the way. We met locals and saw beautiful views that tourists never see. Scene 7, running on empty. By the last day, our money was running on empty. So we skipped restaurants and bought bread, cheese, and fruit from the market. Honestly, it was one of the best meals of the trip. Scene 8, part of the journey. On the way to the airport, it started raining and our taxi was late. Marco said, "Why does something always go wrong?" I said, "Because this is part of the journey." Ready to hit the road again. On the plane home, Marco asked, "So, where to next?" I laughed. I was tired, but I was also ready to hit the road again. Idiom recap. 1. Bitten by the travel bug, to start loving travel 2. On board, to agree 3. Get off the beaten path, go to less touristy places 4. Hit the road, start a trip 5. Up in the air, not decided yet 6. Play it by ear, decide as you go 7. Go with the flow, be relaxed, follow the situation 8. When in Rome, follow local customs 9. Take the scenic route, take a longer, prettier way 10. Running on empty, have little energy/money left 11. Part of the journey, problems are normal 12. Hit the road again, start traveling again.